Why?
Because you're mean right now.
You're being mean first.
How am I being mean? Change your profile picture. Get out of here.
I'm not going to change your relationship status.
Okay. Give it. I will. I promise.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm not going to change it.
Whatever. Get out of here.
Why?
I'm hungry. I'm gonna get grumpy. And I still gotta get my pills, and I still gotta wash the dishes, and we still gotta go put your clothes in the dryer before 9. Come on.
They're in the dryer. We just gotta pull them out for security guard clothes.
Well, whatever. Come on. You're hurting my back, too, because I can't lay like that.
Okay.
No.
Get over here. Babe.